PTips. Now, PTips uses the RSI, okay, and two different Bollinger bands, okay? All right, so the RSI is right over here, and then you see over here, there's two different Bollinger bands. It's basically a 1.0 deviation, and then the 2.0 deviation bands, okay? Now, another tool that I like to add onto this analysis is the MACD. Why? Because by utilizing the MACD, I am able to get a better direction of the trend, okay? So yeah, you feel free to add that to your analysis as well. All right, so Euro AUD, let's take a look at D1. Okay, so on Euro AUD, we could see that RSI right now is above 50. It's coming down towards 50, okay, but it's still above 50. And then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Okay, so let's set up the recent highs as our resistance. And then also we will have to set up the recent lows as our support. Okay, so that's basically for D1. Yeah, we can clearly see that the market is stuck in a ranging market right now. Let's move on to H4 and see if there are any potential trends. Okay, so based on H4 RSI right now, we can see that it is above 50. Okay, and then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, this is a very classic combination, okay, for bullish outlook. Okay, so obviously with the H4, we are seeing bullish confirmation, okay, and by taking a look at the MACD, we are also seeing more bullishness on the MACD as well. Okay, so overall, it is bullish, okay, based on H4. Okay, cool. So if I were to actually trade this, I might utilize my resistance zone as a nice take profit point. Hopefully H1 will also give us a trendy direction as well. So let's take a look at that. What does H1 hold for us? Okay, H1 clearly is letting us know consolidation is happening. I don't really like three different time frames giving us three different readings, okay? Usually I like it if three different time frames all indicate the same thing, okay? It makes me feel more confident. All right, so with H1, let's take a look at what PTips says. RSI right now is above 50, and then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands, as you can see here, okay? And yeah, you can see that there's a Bollinger squeeze happening, okay? So clearly the market is stuck in a ranging market. Okay, now MACD is indicating potential bearish momentum. Okay, but there is a very strong support over here, as we can see. Okay, so anyway, based on the only trend that we can see is H4, so I will be putting this to the test for you guys. Okay, I will place a trade based on H4, and remember, every time we start off, we will always have to write down our the time frame that we're looking at. Okay, just so that we can always come back and take a look at how accurate the analysis was. Okay, so based on H4 was the only time frame that was giving us a trend. Okay, so I will be placing a buy there. Please do not follow blindly along, and I will set up a take profit point near the top of the my resistance range. Okay, just so then I could probably be exiting with more confidence. Okay, that's Euro AUD for you guys. Now let's move back to D1 and let's take a look at silver. Some people call silver the baby gold.